How to enable ray tracing in Minecraft. So first, make sure that your video card or GPU supports RTX or ray tracing. So once that's done, just simply go to your Minecraft, then open up Marketplace. And once you're there, just simply search for RTX on the top right search bar. Just like that. Once you're here, just pick any map that you want. So let's say I want to use this Hilltop Lifestyle RTX, so just click on it. So it's completely free. I'll just simply click on the free button right here at purchase in progress. And once that's done, you just need to sign in if you want so that you can save your purchases. So let's go to sign in right here. Click on sign in now and wait for it. So once that's done, it will just bring you back right here. And what you need to do now is just simply click on download. And this will download the Hilltop Lifestyle RTX. Just simply click on download again and wait for the download to finish. And now as you can see, the download has been completed, and now you could simply click on create this world right here. So you could just simply change the names and stuff. You also do this if you want, unlock the settings. But if you do this, you might break the creator's intended experience. So just make sure that you know what you're doing and stuff. But for me, just keep it on original settings. So now once that's done, just simply click on create right here and just wait for this to load. And now as you can see, the map has been loaded, and when you look right here, as you can see, it is pretty amazing. The look on this is amazing. The next method that you can do is that if you want to do this to your own world, what you just simply need to do is just open up your browser. Now once you're here, just close off Minecraft, then search for Minecraft Bedrock Ray Tracing Pack here on Google. So I suggest that you use Planet Minecraft right here, since this is a pretty trusted website. So just click on it and wait for this to load. Now just simply pick any pack that you want. You could simply go to the best one right here to show you all of the best packs. So you have it right here. So this one has 510 views and 200,000 downloads. So you could basically use this one, since most or everyone uses this. So it's pretty good. So once you're here, you simply scroll down and click on download vanilla RTX, almost right there. And you simply click on continue. And once you're here, just wait for this to unlock. So it says 5 seconds. And now just simply click on continue download. Wait for it again. It will bring you right here. And once you're here, you simply scroll down until you see this download vanilla RTX. Just simply click on that. As you can see, it will go up right here, and just simply click on save. Wait for it to download. Now just go to your file explorer where your download went. So I have mine right here. So I'm just going to simply double click on it, and it will open up Minecraft Bedrock, and just wait for it. As you can see, it says import started, and successfully imported vanilla RTX. Now you could either open up a new world or open up a existing world. But for me, I'm going to open up a new world. So we'll just create a new world right here, create, and I'm just going to name it vanilla RTX, just like so. I'm going to set it to creative. That's that. So now just simply go to the resource packs right here on the left side and simply click on owned right here. And you will see the pack that you have downloaded. Just simply click on activate. As you can see, you've activated all packs. And just click on active right now. As you can see, it is now active. So what you need to basically do is just click on create and wait for the game to load. And now as you can see, the game has been loaded, and look at this. So this is basically the vanilla RTX pack. So that's how you basically enable RTX on Minecraft. But if for some reason that yours is not working, maybe that is disabled on your settings, or you simply go to settings, scroll down to video, and when you scroll down right here, you will see ray tracing. So just make sure that that is set to ray tracing. So you can just simply click on ray tracing right there, and that should basically do the trick. And that's how you basically enable ray tracing in Minecraft.